Most men have no idea that saying you're hot is actually pushing her away, not because it's wrong, but because every guy says it. And when every guy says it, it means nothing. There are 8 specific compliments rooted in psychology that hit her on a completely different level. Compliments she's never heard before. Compliments that make her feel seen, not just looked at. And when a woman feels seen, she falls fast. Here's the truth most men miss. Women are not attracted to compliments. They're attracted to perception. When you tell her she's hot, you're telling her what your eyes see. But when you use the right words, the words I'm about to show you, you're telling her what your mind notices. And that is a completely different experience for her. Psychology shows that the compliments which trigger the deepest emotional response are ones that reflect her inner world back to her. They activate a neurological response tied to being understood. And feeling understood is one of the most powerful emotional pulls a human being can experience. This isn't about flattery. This is about precision. Welcome to Magda K Chronicles, where we go deep into female psychology so you can build real, powerful connections. Today, I'm revealing 8 compliments that bypass her logical mind and go straight to her emotions. Hit like if you want to understand women on a deeper level. Let's get into it. Point 1. There's something about the way your mind works that I find really attractive. Most men compliment the surface, her face, her body, her smile, and she appreciates it on the outside. But on the inside, she's heard it 100 times. Now imagine you're mid-conversation and she says something clever, something unexpected, something that reveals how she thinks. And instead of laughing it off or moving on, you pause. You look at her and say, there's something about the way your mind works that I find really attractive. Psychologically, this does something extraordinary. It tells her that you are paying attention, not to her appearance, but to her actual self. Research in interpersonal attraction shows that feeling intellectually appreciated activates the same reward pathways as physical touch. She gets a rush, a real one. What this means is simple. She starts associating you with that feeling. Use this after she says something insightful. Don't overthink it. Just say it and hold eye contact when you do. Point 2. You have this energy that makes people feel comfortable around you. This one is underestimated, massively. Here's why it works. Every woman wants to believe she has a positive impact on the people around her. It's wired into the social fabric of female identity. The desire to nurture, to connect, to matter in a room. When you tell her she has that energy, you're not just complimenting her, you're confirming something she hopes is true about herself. That's called validation of self-concept, and it creates an instant emotional bond. She'll think about that compliment for days. Deliver this one naturally, maybe after a group setting or even a one-on-one conversation where she made you feel at ease. Say it casually, like it's just an observation, because that's exactly what makes it land. Point 3. I love how you don't try to be someone you're not. Pause and think. When was the last time someone told you that? Comment below, because authenticity is rare. And when you name it in her, she feels recognized in a way most people never experience. This compliment works because it does 2 things simultaneously. First, it tells her you've been watching, not in a creepy way, but in a way that says you notice her when she's being real. Second, it subtly separates you from every other guy who's chasing a persona she puts on for the world. You're telling her, I see the real you, and I like her. Evolution has wired women to seek partners who can perceive them accurately. It signals emotional intelligence, and emotional intelligence is deeply, primally attractive. Use this when she lets her guard down, when she laughs too loud, or says something a little weird, or admits something vulnerable. That's the moment. Take it. Point 4. The way you handled that was actually really impressive. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Women are complimented on being things constantly, beautiful, funny, sweet, but rarely are they complimented on doing something, on their capability, their strength, their competence. This compliment changes that. When you acknowledge what she did, not just who she is, you trigger something psychologists call competence-based esteem. It's a form of self-worth that runs deeper than appearance. She feels respected, not just desired, and respect coming from a man she's attracted to, that is fuel. Be specific here. Don't say it generically. Point to something real, how she navigated a difficult conversation, how she handled a stressful moment, how she made a decision. Specificity is what makes compliments believable. And believable compliments are the only ones that matter. Point 5, you make being around you feel effortless. This one hits different because it's not about her in isolation. It's about the experience of being with her, and that is a profoundly powerful place to put someone. When you say this, you're not just complimenting her. You're telling her that she affects you, that she creates something in your world. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, surges in response to feeling emotionally safe with someone. When you name that safety, you accelerate the bond. She'll immediately start replaying the time you've spent together. She'll start wanting more of it. Say this at the end of a date or after a long conversation. Keep your voice low, your eye contact steady. Let the silence do its work after you say it. Point 6, I feel like you actually listen, like really listen. Quick pause. Have you ever had someone make you feel genuinely heard? If yes, you know exactly why this works. Drop a comment. Listening is starving in this world. Everyone is waiting for their turn to speak. So when a woman does it, when she actually leans in, remembers what you said, asks the follow-up question, and you notice, you become unforgettable. This compliment works because it mirrors a behavior she's proud of back to her. Mirror neurons in the brain activate when we feel seen in our actions. She gets a warm, almost physical response. And here's the bonus. It also signals to her that you are someone who pays attention. That makes her want to give you more of herself. Point 7. There's a version of you that you don't show most people. I think I've caught glimpses of her. This one is for when you're past the small talk, when there's already something real building. This compliment is magnetic because it does something no other compliment does. It suggests depth. It tells her, I think you're more than what you show, and I'm curious about that hidden part. Women, like all humans, have a deep psychological need to be known, not just liked, known. When you hint that you've seen beneath the surface, she doesn't just feel attracted. She feels intrigued by you. She starts wondering, what else does he notice? What does he see in me that I haven't shown him yet? That question is the beginning of obsession. Use this carefully. Use it when it's true, because if it lands right, the conversation that follows will be one she never forgets. Point 8. I can't always explain it, but being around you puts me in a better mood. Simple, honest, devastating, in the best way. This compliment works because it's vulnerable. You're admitting she affects you, that she has power over your emotional state. And paradoxically, admitting that from a place of confidence, not neediness, makes you more attractive, not less. Psychology calls this reciprocal vulnerability. When you open up a little, she opens up a lot. She'll feel something shift between you. She'll lean in, literally and emotionally. Say this when it's true, and deliver it simply. No dramatic buildup. Just look at her, say it, then move on like it's not a big deal. That contrast, vulnerable words, calm delivery, is unforgettable. 8 compliments, all grounded in psychology, all designed to make her feel something she rarely feels, truly seen, not complimented on her looks, not flattered with generic lines, but recognized for her mind, her energy, her depth, her presence. That's the difference between a man who gets forgotten and a man she can't stop thinking about. You already have the ability to connect on this level. You just needed the language. Now you have it. If this opened your eyes, hit the like button. It helps more men find content that actually goes deep. Subscribe to Magda K Chronicles and hit the bell so you never miss the next deep dive into female psychology. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these 8 compliments resonated most? Or have you ever received a compliment that genuinely stopped you in your tracks? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. In the next video, I'll be revealing the 6 things women notice about you in the first 60 seconds, before you even say a word. You won't want to miss that one.